Good evening, my YouTube fans. Are you guys crazy? Getting into a fight on an airplane in the air over wearing masks? Get used to it. Because we're going to be wearing them for a while. If you don't want to wear a mask, then help me fight this virus by you getting both of your shots done. And if everybody does the same thing and follows it, then we could get the virus to go away. But don't gather together in groups, because then the virus will stay. And don't fight on an airplane over wearing a mask. That is stupid, asinine, ridiculous. There's no need for this nonsense. We all need to stop with this nonsense of fighting over wearing a mask. We need to stop. Wake up and smell reality. We're not going to be able to stop wearing masks for a while. If you follow what I say, then the virus will have nowhere to go. And then we can stop wearing masks. But no, you people are so thick-headed and stupid, you don't even want to go for your shots to help the virus go away. And you don't want to not gather together in groups. You rather do that to keep the virus longer. That's why we have to wear the mask still. But if you follow the steps that is needed, everybody all the way around the world, then we could get the virus to go away. If we all get our shots. It doesn't matter if you're in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, California, Florida, Texas, China. We all need to get both shots. And we all need to stop gathering together in groups like this, where you're a sardine and a whole thousands and trillions of people around you. Stop doing that. Because you're making the virus stay here longer than it needs to. And so far, that's why we have to still wear the masks. If you stop doing all that bullshit nonsense and get both of your shots and don't be in a group with thousands and billions of people, then the virus has nobody to attach itself to. But no, you'd rather be stupid and fight in the airplane up in the air over a mask, and you'd rather gather together in groups than to do what I say. I'm trying to save your life, and you're trying to kill yourself. It's no good. You need to stop and think. Maybe the Jewish queen is right. Maybe we should follow what she says. And then that way, the virus has nobody to attach itself to. You guys are stupid. You don't think, oh, if I do this, then the virus will go. No. If you gather together in groups, you think the virus will go away? No. It's going to stay, and then it's going to be a big cycle. It's going to go from person to person to person to person. Stop doing that. If you want to have a party, okay. But don't have more than 20 to 50 people at the party. Because then the virus will stay, and you won't be able to get rid of it if you haven't got your shots yet. if we all do this together, get our shots, don't gather together in groups, then the virus has nobody to attach itself to. Then it will die off and go away. But no, you thick-headed pricks out there don't want to listen to what the Jewish queen is telling you. I'm telling you the truth, whether you believe it or not, because I'm trying to save your life. But you guys are too thick-headed and screwed up. And that is the way the Jewish queen bounces. Goodbye for now.